Stepan's Biosoft LFS series of nonionic surfactants improve low film streak cleaning performance in no-rinse hard surface cleaners. Use this high-performance technology to improve the total cleaning performance where surface appearance matters. The Biosoft LFS series is ideal for a variety of surfaces such as glass and mirror, all-purpose, bath, kitchen, floor, and vehicle all-exterior cleaners. Alcohol ethoxylates are the go-to choice for greasy soil removal. However, they may leave a visible film on some surfaces like ceramic tile. Stepan's low film streak technology provides an improved result, avoiding the film streak we see here on the left. Alkylpolyglucosides are often used on glass and ceramic for good appearance, but leave a visible residue on hydrophobic surfaces like polished vinyl tile. Cooking fats are particularly difficult greasy soils to clean, especially at room temperature. Traditional nonionic surfactants struggle to clean this tough soil, while the Biosoft LFS series demonstrates superior performance. Alcohol ethoxylates and alkylpolyglucosides demonstrate some performance gaps. The Biosoft LFS series helps formulators overcome these challenges. For additional information on Stepan's Biosoft LFS series, please visit Stepan's website, where you can also request a sample. Stepan continues to innovate at the surface, like we do with our new Biosoft LFS technology. Turn to Stepan as your partner in solving formulation challenges.